Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and tender turkey breast, perfect for Thanksgiving. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This juicy and tender turkey breast, these are my ingredients. I have garlic cloves, Mexican oregano, black pepper, chicken bouillon, chili flakes, ginger, butter, and of course the star, the turkey breast. Let's prepare this amazing and tender turkey breast for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. I want to start here with the onion. I'm going to go ahead and slice the edges of the onion and take the skin off. The onion is going to really flavor the turkey breast, you name it. It's going to be so delicious, and it's going to leave all the drippings behind. Here I have my Dutch oven. I'm going to go ahead and put my onion right in the center. I'm going to put it aside, and now I am ready to start dicing all my garlic. This turkey breast in this buttery garlic sauce really comes out amazing. You guys are really going to love this amazing recipe. The turkey breast is going to be so moist and delicious. That is just perfection made at home. I'm adding all my diced garlic into the butter. And now I am ready to add all the spices. Look at this. I know you might be thinking, why chili flakes? The chili flakes are really going to give this turkey breast an amazing flavor. And here I'm going to start adding 1 tablespoon of all the ingredients. Mexican oregano, chicken bouillon, chili flakes, black pepper, and of course the ginger powder. This is really going to be such an amazing turkey breast. Look at this. Of course, when you start making this amazing recipe, you are really going to fall in love with it. And here I'm just going to start incorporating all the dry ingredients into the butter. It's gonna be nice, like a little paste, and that's exactly how you want it. Always preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So when you put your turkey inside, the oven is already preheated. And here I'm going to remove it. I'm gonna put the turkey breast right on the top of the onions, and now I am ready to pat it down really good with all this creamy and delicious butter and all the dry ingredients, just like that. It really doesn't take too long, okay? To this, I am going to add 1 cup of water, and I'm not gonna put it on top. I'm gonna put it on the side so that all those drippings really fall to the bottom. And this is just gonna be amazing. Look at this. I added all the buttery garlic on the top and all the spices. My mouth is already watering. And now I am ready to just cover it and take it to the oven. We are going to bake it for about 3 hours, 350. Every oven is different. But when the turkey is really soft and tender from the inside, then it's ready. 3 hours have passed, and now I'm ready to remove it. Let's reveal. Let's see how this came out. Look at this. This smells amazing. All those drippings on the bottom. With all those drippings, we are going to make the gravy. I put the fork inside. It's really fork tender, And now I am ready to remove the turkey breast and start getting all those amazing drippings. I'm gonna go ahead, put them through a sifter, get all those juices out. Look at the onion and the rest of the ingredients really broke down. And look at this. Here I want to show you the drippings. I have about 2 cups of the delicious liquid. And here I'm trying to obtain the oil on the top. It's just very little. I have a pan on the side where I'm putting all that amazing drippings just a little bit, and I'm getting only from the top so I could get all the oils. And now here on the stove, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that it's really cooked so that we can make our amazing gravy. Of course, with all those delicious drippings. The drippings really have all the flavor of the turkey breast. And now I'm ready to add it. And now that I'm adding it, I'm gonna go ahead and move it around. I'm gonna help myself with the whisk, and I'm just gonna mix it really good until it becomes really smooth. And look at this, a couple minutes later, you could really see that it's already bubbling. The gravy, it's already nice and thick, and the aroma, oh my gosh, the aroma of all those ingredients, the garlic, it's so penetrated that I really can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Well, the gravy is ready. I have my turkey breast here. I'm gonna start slicing it, and you are going to see how tender and soft this turkey breast is. Look at this. It's almost falling apart. And that's exactly how you want to cook your turkey breast. You want to make sure that you get those pieces and it's so soft and tender. Oh my gosh. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy. And here I have the gravy. I'm going to start adding all that amazing gravy in here. And of course, when you make your gravy from the drippings, it's just amazing. Here I have my plate. Of course, I need to taste this amazing turkey breast with that gravy on the top. And now I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing turkey breast. You know that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Of course, don't throw away the drippings. The drippings are the most delicious part of this dish. With all those drippings and all those flavors, you can make a delicious gravy. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy this amazing turkey breast. I added a little bit of rice because I really wanted to taste this, but you could combine it with a mashed potato, a potato bake, veggies, you decide. Excuse me. The turkey breast is so moist. It's not dry at all. The gravy with all those delicious flavors, just, you know, something perfection made at home. You need to make this amazing recipe. A perfect turkey breast for Thanksgiving. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make this turkey breast in the Dutch oven like I did. It's really moist, really delicious. The drippings, which I made the gravy, just perfection, made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. I will stay enjoying this amazing and juicy turkey breast. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.